Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make drawings in Inventor. First, let's get your drawing environment ready. You'll start by opening a new drawing file, typically choosing a standard template like ANSI, IDWA for North American standards or ISO, IDWA for international ones. Next, adjust your sheet size and orientation to perfectly accommodate your design. Don't forget to confirm your projection standard, usually third angle, for clear and consistent views. This foundational setup is crucial for a professional drawing. Now, let's bring your model onto the drawing sheet. You'll begin by placing a base view, selecting your part or assembly file. Carefully orient this view to best represent your design's primary features. From this base view, you can then easily create projected views, showing the top, side, or bottom perspectives. For a comprehensive look, remember to include an isometric view, offering a clear three-dimensional representation of your model. With your views in place, it's time to add crucial details. Use the dimensioning tools to specify linear, angular, and radial measurements, ensuring your design is fully defined. For faster work, explore baseline or ordinate dimensioning. Don't forget to include important annotations like text notes, surface finish symbols, or weld symbols where necessary. If you're working with an assembly, generate a parts list and add balloons to clearly identify each component. You're almost done. Before exporting, meticulously review all your dimensions and annotations to ensure everything is accurate and easy to understand. Take a moment to update the title block with all the necessary project and drawing details. Save your work in the native Inventor format, either IDW or DWG, to preserve all its features. Finally, export your drawing to a widely accessible format like PDF or a standard DWG for easy sharing and printing.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.